The next actor I'd like to show you is the shuffle actor. So shuffle is not like the random actor. This is a bit more controlled and sometimes a lot more useful. So what this does is you can set a minimum and maximum. So I'm going to change this to 50. So 1 to 50, and I can click shuffle. Now you don't see it do anything here, but inside the coding, it's shuffled the numbers 50 to 1, and when you trigger it, so click next, it will give you a value. So it's gone 38, but remaining means there's 49 numbers left in that order. So I'm just going to keep clicking through and it'll keep on giving me a random value. Why this is really good is it means that no number will be repeated. So shuffle is different to random, because random, in theory, you could have the number 5 triggered 500 times, or the number 1 triggered 1,000,000 times in theory. That's probably a bit of an extreme scenario, but in theory that could happen. Shuffle doesn't do that. It triggers every number between 1 and 50 exactly once. Hopefully that makes sense. As you can see the remaining numbers, and it'll go all the way down. I'm just clicking like mad until it gets to the very end, and then it's done. So there's no more remaining numbers in that sequence. And then you can click shuffle again, and it will be a completely different set between 50 and 1. Something I'd like to show you though is there's a nice little way of shuffling the pack, so to speak, using this actor enter scene trigger. Now what this will do is every time you enter a scene, so meaning as soon as you click on a scene, it will trigger it and shuffle the pack for you. So you don't even really see it, it's that quick, but it's shuffled the pack as soon as you've entered. And then off you go. It will start triggering things. So let me think of a quick example off the top of my head. Say you had 50 pictures, images, something like that, and you wanted to play them in an irregular sequence, but you only wanted one picture to be shown once in that sequence. Then you go ahead and import 50 pictures in here, create a picture player, and you could connect that to that, and as it triggered, it would select one of the pictures there. So hopefully that might give you an idea about how you would use it. But that is the shuffle actor. I really enjoy using this. Really, really good.